Welcome to another video on mobile tech review, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to get cheap data on MTN using this 3 USSD code no one is talking about. And if it's something that interests you, I want to stick around this video to the very end and make sure you don't miss any parts. See you on the inside.
First thing first, click on the iPad. Dial *121 *1#. Using your MTN SIM card, dial it. Now enter 1. Here you see you can get 1.5 gig data for as low as 300 naira only, and data is valid for 7 days. So to activate, just enter 1 to activate.
Moving on. Next,
Dial *121#. Dial it using your MTN SIM. Enter 4. Here we have the 1-day offer, 7 days offer, and 30 days offer. So I'll be going through them by one. Enter 1 for the first offer. Here you can see we have 400 naira for 2 gig and 500 naira for 2.5 gig. Remember, these offers are for 1 day. Okay, just dial 0 to go back. Now enter 2 for the 7 days offer. Here we have 600 naira for 3 gig and 700 naira for 4 gig. Remember, this data offer lasts for 7 days. Enter 0 to go back. And lastly, we have the 30 days offer. And so enter 3 to check it out. Here we have 150 naira for 700 MB, and this data offer valid for 30 days. In case you are someone that doesn't use a lot of data, like you're someone that uses less data, then this offer is valid. You can actually get this one.
and lastly,
Here's another code you can use to get cheap data from MTN. Dial *121 *2#. Dial it using your MTN SIM. Enter 1. Here you see you can get 2.5 gig data for as low as 900 naira only. Data is valid for 2 days. So to activate, just enter 1.
and that's how you get cheap data on MTN using the 3 USSD code I've just shown you. If you got value from this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, and also subscribe. See you on the next one.